What's up, everybody? I am extremely excited today. We just got our first sponsor, and as I promised you, as we get sponsors rolling in, we're going to start giving it out. That means we're going to give about 50% of this check that we got to one of our random subscribers out there that qualified, either making a comment on one of our videos, they shared our post on their Instagram, Facebook, or whatever, and tagged us on it, or they went to pursuingthebest.com, went in to enter the giveaway and sent us an email like that. So we greatly appreciate our subscribers so far and all those sharing out, making comments. It's awesome because we just literally were able to raise some money now, literally to give back to you as a random subscriber, and also to the charities that we want to support, like Alzheimer's, ALS, Children's Hospital, all those that are on our channel at pursuingthebest.com. Go there, check it out, and also check out our YouTube channel here. You can start to get in on these entries by simply watching the videos, make a comment, and we're trying to bring out informational videos that really can make a difference, hopefully, in your life or somebody you know, and also share some kind of interesting, funny things too. We just posted one of those, or going to post one here. Crazy thing that we saw today. I'm going to put that out there. So, all right, let's get into this. I want to share, we're going to do this right here. I'm going to pull up, I've got what's called commentpicker.com, and we were able to pull all the names that made comments or sent us these emails and stuff. We put them in this commentpicker.com, and they're going to randomly generate a winner. It'll pop up on the screen. If you see your name there, make sure you get a hold of us. Send us an email to pursuingthebest.com. and then we will actually get a hold of you. We'll figure out how to get the donation that came in. We're actually going to give out, it's going to be $50 going out. So we got $50 coming out. We got a $100 check in. So $50 to our winner coming up here. So we greatly appreciate it. Let's get into this and take a look. And also, as a reminder too, if you guys want a complimentary financial consult, our other company, Wilkins Wealth Management Group, actually sponsors this channel as well. So go to pursuefinancialfreedom.com, click on the upper right corner, it says complimentary consult. Get a hold of us. You want to bring us on your board of directors, if you will, for a little bit. We can give you some ideas that maybe might help you a little bit on your finance side. But anyway, let's get into this. Let's take a look at commentpicker.com. So here it is, commentpicker.com. I've got all these names in here that we entered in that have commented or sent us emails, or again sent out posts on their Facebook or Instagram and shared it with us, so we saw it. So we're going to do it. So we just simply are going to go down here. It's going to say pick a winner right here at random. So we're going to do that now so you can see this. I'm going to shrink down a little bit so we can get the full effect of this. It's going to be right above my head. So we're going to count this down. I'm going to do a 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're going to let this thing roll. It's pretty quick. We're going to know who the winner is, and again, get that $50 out to you, and then we're going to turn around and donate the other $50 to the charity. So we greatly appreciate Patty Berry, who is our sponsor on this. Really appreciate it. Friend of my parents for a long time, so we really appreciate the donation to the channel. So here we go. All right, we got a big 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit that start button, guys. Who's going to be the winner? Let's blow it up. Buddy Hagwood, 7513, is the winner on here. So if you're watching this channel still, buddy, make sure you get a hold of us. We've got until, I think it's, I gave 7 business days to get a hold of us. If we don't hear from you, we're going to turn around and do this giveaway again and put it out there. So we greatly appreciate you guys commenting and sharing this channel out, and it's already helped us raise money. I can't thank you enough. And have a great rest of your day. And as we say, remember, with God, anything is possible. Thank you.